Everyone talks about investing, but no one tells you the easiest way to start without needing thousands of dollars. Well, guess what? You can start building real wealth right now with just $100. Stop believing you need to be a Wall Street genius to see growth. This is the biggest lie in personal finance, that you have to be rich to get started. It's designed to keep you on the sidelines. Forget the fancy charts and the market jargon. Your age, your current income, none of it matters for this first move. Today, I'm cutting through the confusion and giving you a dead simple, actionable plan. We aren't picking individual winners or betting on risky companies. Instead, we're leveraging the genius of modern finance. By pooling your small fund, you instantly become part owner of giants like Apple, Amazon, and Google. It's the ultimate low-risk entry. We're going to use that $100 to buy a piece of the entire US stock market, instantly diversifying your portfolio and setting the foundation for long-term compounding. That $100 isn't just sitting in a bank account losing value to inflation anymore, it's actively working for you, 24/7. This is the exact first step I wish I had taken sooner. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back one more day. Ready to turn $100 into your financial future? If you want more easy-to-follow guides just like this, make sure to hit that follow button now.